What contractors don't tell you until it's too late? I'm gonna share with you something with you. Sometimes I'm gonna share something with you guys. I'm a little too nervous to throw these videos, but look at this. I'm sorry, nope, right here. Right here. So, what contractors don't tell you until it's too late if we find surprises. For example, in this bathroom, if we do demolition and we found surprises like this, contractors want to be too nice with you, trying to handle everything, and then they figure out the money is not there to cover the bills, and then they tell you now you have a bigger bill to cover. And the worst thing is a surprise. Contractors trying to be nice on you don't tell you what they find behind the walls, hoping they can solve the problem. This is expected, but if the contractor doesn't know what is going to be there, so sometimes they not tell you the surprise they find behind the walls. They're trying to be nice and don't make you feel bad. That's one of the biggest things I see that we as a contractor don't tell. For example, this one right here, I should expect it, but I did not expect this type of tile behind the wall. This is a wire lat. This is an old home, old bathroom remodeling. It's a very, very old, over 100 years old house. So it's this type of construction. There's a concrete and there's a wire lat. There's more concrete than the tile, so it's very big for demolition. So if this will be, for example, 3 bathrooms, I gotta demo 3 bathrooms. If whatever I budget with regular renovation, this will add up at least twice the cost, if it's not more, with demo. So actually, this one I didn't tell the homeowner, but I didn't send any bill at the end of the project because I should have known better to know this was there. But stuff like that, contractor will not tell you until it's too late. So how to avoid that? Just open up a free channel where you can say, hey, if for any reason I find any surprises, please just be honest with me. At the same time, if I'm not happy with anything, I'll be honest with you. Just do an agreement of be honest to the entire process will be the best way to avoid any surprises. And asking the contractor, do not feel bad to tell me if you find something, if you have surprises in my renovation. Alright, I hope that answered that question.